Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's fun video, I'm going to be making some really chewy oatmeal raisin cookies. For my first step, we'll get all of my granulated white sugar into our bowl. And then my brown sugar. And the butter. That's good. Close down my mixer, but I just want to cream this. Okay, that's good. I'll add in my egg. This is a new mixer, by the way. This is the Craftsman KM50. If you want more information about this stand mixer, I'll put it underneath the video in the description box. So let's mix this up. I'll pour in my salt and my vanilla. That vanilla smells amazing. Just another little quick mix. Okay, that's good. And then we have our flour. I'm going to put in my baking soda right into the flour, just like that. And just mix all this in. I could have used a little bigger bowl here. It's good enough. We'll get all of the flour in. And it's at this point now we don't want to overmix. So very slow speed on the mixer. That's speed number 1, just to get everything incorporated. You can see how quickly this comes together even on speed number 1. And then I'm going to add in our oats. Let's get all of those in and a little bit of a mix. And then our last ingredient are raisins. Get all of those in. And a little bit of a mix. So I've got 2 pans here with a silicone liner on each one. And I've got my cookie scoop. And I'm just going to go in. I like to grab a cookie dough, just push it against the side, just like that, and then right onto the little silicone mat. Nice push. And there we go. I'll continue doing these and I'll be back in a second. So I've got all my cookies, they are ready to go. I'll put information on the screen right now about the cookie scoop that I'm using in today's video. So 11 cookies, and the last one almost a full scoop, and it doesn't have any raisins. So anyway, that's a good cookie for somebody who doesn't like raisins in their oatmeal cookies. So at this point, I'm going to put these into my fridge for 30 minutes just to chill them, and then they're going to go into my oven. And I will be baking these at 177 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. So at this point, my cookies are going into the fridge for 30 minutes just to chill. If you don't want to chill your cookies, you can place them in the oven right away. Just be careful, they will spread out a little bit, and they're also going to bake a little bit faster. So I'm going to go chill mine 30 minutes, I'm going to bake them, and then I'll be back. Hey everybody, I am back and I've done all of my cookies. All of them were baked for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 177 degrees Celsius. You can see that this one here is a little bit more brown. It did not have any of the raisins and it wasn't a full scoop, but it looks really delicious. These here are still a little bit warm, so we'll go into one of these here. I'll just take one of these and let's check it out. Look at that nice browning on the bottom, and look at this. This is completely cool, and look at how nice this is. Nice and moist, chewy. Look at that. Oh, you know this is going to be good. Let's go in for a bite. That is so good. Raisins are my favorite thing by far in oatmeal cookies. So good. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you love oatmeal cookies, you gotta give my recipe a try. Super easy and really delicious. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, I'm over there as well, at BakeLikeAPro. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. So good. Yum. And in this section, I'll go over the ingredients that we need for this recipe. 1.5 cups or 135 grams of old-fashioned oats. 1/2 cup or 113 grams of butter. 2/3 cup or 140 grams of brown sugar. 1/3 cup or 65 grams of granulated white sugar. 1 cup or 150 grams of all-purpose flour. 1 cup or 150 grams of raisins. 1/2 teaspoon or 3 grams of baking soda. 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of salt. 1 large egg. And our last ingredient, 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of vanilla extract. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.